Assalamu alaikum. Here we will discuss about programming fundamentals of C++. Programming the instructions to instruction the computer. What is programming? A set of instructions given to the machine or computer to solve a given problem. Programmability, the capability within hardware and software to change to accept a new set of instructions that alters its behavior. So, problem an inquiry starting from given conditions to investigate or demonstrate a fact, result, or law. Problem solving. Computer science is the study of problem solving and solutions that comes out of problem solving process. Algorithm. Given a problem, a computer scientist's goal is to develop an algorithm, a step-by-step list of instructions for solving any instant of the problem that might arise, normally written in English language. So here we will discuss von Neumann architecture, material taken from University of Alberta's website. Designing computers. All computers more or less based on the same basic designs. The von Neumann architecture. The von Neumann architecture. Models for designing and building computers based on the following three characteristics. The computer consists of four main subsystems: memory, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, input output system, IOS systems. Program is stored in memory during execution. Program instructions are executed subsequently. The von Neumann architecture. Memory subsystem. Memory are also called RAM, random access memory. Consists of many memory cells, storage units of a fixed size. Each cell has an address associated with it, 0, 1, and so on. All access to memory are to a specified address. A cell is the minimum unit of access. Fetch, store a complete cell. The time it takes to fetch, store a cell is the sum of all cells. When computer is running, both program data are stored in the memory. RAM. Need to distinguish between the address of a memory cell and content of a memory cell. Memory width. How many bits is each memory cell? Typically 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Address width N. How many bits used to represent each address determines the maximum memory size. Address space. Address space. If address width is n bits, then address space is 2 to the power n, 0, 1, so on to n power minus 1. Memory size and speed. Typically memory in a personal computer is 64 MB or 256 MB. Memory size kilobyte 1000 KB is equal to 2 power is 10. Megabytes MB is equal to 220 2 the power 20, and gigabyte billion GB is equal to 2 the power 30. Memory access time read from write to memory 50 to 75 nanosecond. 1 nanosecond is equal to 0. So on seconds. RAM is volatile, can only store when power is on, relatively expensive. Operations on memory. Fetch address. Fetch a copy of the content